Hi, in this video we'll talk about the size of the element. Here down below you can see that I have selected my div, and we can see that the width of the element is 410 pixels. If I resize developer tools, here up top you'll be able to see the dimensions of the web page. Let me show you. And here you can see that it says 410. What about the height? Well, we already know that the height of a block element is determined by its content. If we have more content, it will be taller, and if we have less content, it will be shorter. So here our height comes from font size. And if we change it here, the height of the element will change as well. Okay, let me show you. So here, let's say font size, and let's do it 20 pixels. Okay, and we can see that now our height is 23 pixels. Now the question is, why do we set 20 and now it says 23 here? And this is because of the line height property. If you look closely here, we have some text, but also below and above the text, we have some empty space. And this is made to make text look pretty. And as I mentioned, it is controlled by the line height property. So here I can write line height, and let's set it to 30 pixels. And here you can see that now our width is 30 pixels. Okay, so here if I remove both line height and font size, we can see that our height becomes 18.5 pixels. And this is because the default size of our font is 16 pixels, plus 2.5 pixels of the line height. Okay, now let's explore the case when we have more text. So I can just copy and paste this text multiple times, but I'll show you another Emmet feature. If we want to generate some dummy text with a certain length, we can just write lorem followed by a number, and this will give us text with 10 words. In this case, 10 words because I wrote 10. Okay, and we can see that now we have exactly 10 words here. If I press Command Z and I write 50, it will generate text with 50 words. Okay, 50 might be a little bit too much, so I'll just write 20. Okay, and here we have 3 lines, and we can see that our height is 55.5, and this is 18.5 multiplied by 5. Now, if we specifically set our line height, like so, we can see that we have 4 lines, and each line is 30 pixels. So the height of these 4 lines should be 120 pixels. And this is exactly what we see here. Okay, and if I want to make my browser window narrower, you can see that the text goes on the next line. Now we have 5 lines, and also the height has changed. So here we can see that our height is now 150 pixels. In this video, we have talked about font size and line height. And now you know how the height of the text is determined.